Hello, hello, hello. Live stream number 21. Getting kind of high on these numbers. Alrighty, it is Friday, or it is about to be Friday, March 17th. All right. So news doesn't look too heavy today. All right. Gonna take a look around, see if I see anything particularly juicy. First, we're gonna look for the dollar first. Those are usually the easiest trades. Yesterday was my tilt day for the week. So brought myself back down to break even yesterday. So not the best day. Took all my moves early. Ended up losing 4 trades, and actually ended up going back to break even for the week. So I'm at 0 for the week now. Victor, how's it going? Yeah, I'm at break even for the week, so hopefully today I can get a nice 5 and that'll recover everything. And 5 is my minimum goal, 5 reward. So if I can at least get that, I'll be a happy camper. Oh, you managed to break even too? Yeah, it's been a rough 2 weeks, I'd say. Dollar especially has been extremely choppy. We got the time zone. We got the time zone change thing going on. Been a little, yeah. Yeah, yesterday in particular, it was really hard to find an actual decent trade to get into. So started off very patient, and then I eventually just lost my cool. It happens. It happens. I try to stay at only 1 red day per week, if any. 0 is obviously the way that you wanna go, but if you insist on having a red day, just make it 1. Woke up from my nap actually. Oh. Whew. Okay. You said you figured that in auto archist kind of helpful at times. And now you're trying to download MT4 because it ends for structures like falling wedge, tunnel, support, resistance, or even Fibonacci. So it scans a lot of pairs at once, and that's the beauty. Yeah. Yeah, there's tons of indicators. You know me, I'm Mr. Naked Trader over here. Very kind of anti-indicator. But if you find something that works for you, hey, roll with it, man. Whatever works. I'm seeing a lot of banks are having issues right now. A couple of banks are going under. We figured out their game, so they're trying to pull the plug on everybody. Can't have too many people knowing what's going on, I guess. Kind of makes sense a little bit. Okay. So we got 16 minutes to go for the first open. Goodness. I can't wait till this time zone stuff is over. So irritating. What do I think about CAD? What do you mean? Said before you saw me, you traded reversals because they are big, a lot of rewards. Yeah, reversals are always riskier. I trade reversals here and there. It's much better to go with the heavy trends that are already established. Those are the best trades. They have the highest win rate. Yeah, you got some heavy levels. This actually happened the other day on the GJ. This is a perfect example of definitely wait for the this is an example of a couple things. You want to wait before the open, or I'm sorry, wait until the open before you start taking trades. This happened another day on the GJ. Came right up to the same heavy level here on the hourly chart and immediately fell back down as soon as the open happened. So the dollar, Yeah, I don't know what I think about this here. It's still very choppy. It always sucks when you can't trade the dollar easily. It makes it so much harder. Dollar pairs are usually really easy, but if the dollar index is not moving in a predictable way, it's usually best to not trade them because they're usually just gonna mess you up. Like yesterday. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna make me work today. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to really be looking around. Yep, yeah, they're gonna make me work today. Ooh. Oh. They gotta make money too. Everybody's gotta get their money. Mm. Yeah, it definitely seems like society's breaking down a little bit, but there's some good that can come out of that too. Think of all the new money making opportunities. Hmm. Yeah, this looks like a really good sell on the hourly chart. Yeah, I'm being careful today. After yesterday, being super careful today. I'm gonna go for. I'm gonna try to get 5 reward today. I'm gonna get a nice 3 and a nice 2. That would be the ideal situation. Hmm. Oh, Elon. Uh-huh. Yeah, Elon is like Kanye a little bit, playing both sides. Kind of what you have to do when you get to a certain place. And yeah, it doesn't matter if the market's going down. It doesn't matter if the market's going up. Us Forex traders, day traders, we're gonna win anyway. Doesn't matter. Go ahead and crash it. Go ahead and crash it. We'll still profit. It's okay. Info. Yes, morning, evening. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah, midnight. Almost midnight. Got 9 minutes. Yeah, I was exhausted earlier. It's rare that I actually take a real nap. I was knocked out like 2 hours before this thing. Okay. I might. take a short here. Looking like it might be my first trade. So we got 8 minutes. I could even go long here. That one doesn't look as good though. I like the short. Yeah, this short looks better than that long. So that will probably... Oh yeah, we got this too. Yeah, this is probably the move right here. Short the UCAD. Oh, the OddCAD and NZDCAD. Yeah, they look to be going up. I don't think I've ever traded either one of those. Probably my two least favorite. I just have them in there, you know, just to look. Pairs change over time. Okay, actually, we're gonna go ahead and hop in this now. Okay. Okay. I got my first trade. Like I said, I usually don't enter trades before the open, but it's a super nice looking move like this. I'll go ahead and do it. Okay. Okay, so there's potentially a nice 3 right there. And I'm just looking for one more solid trade. Oh yeah, St. Patrick's Day too. I already drank all my beer earlier, or I would have one. They did change Walgreens back to 24 hours though. So I'm extremely happy about that. It's one of my favorite things to do, is to go on late night Walgreens runs. Yep, dollar has a very, very solid downtrend happening. So I wouldn't bet against it. Although the dollar is known to reverse on a dime. No, no, I don't run at night. I'll run over to Walgreens. Oh yeah, you're in um Austria, right? They probably don't have Walgreens over there. No Walgreens and no chicken wings. I forgot. It's like a convenience store. Is that what you would call Walgreens? Yeah, yeah, it's a really, really solid downtrend. So hopefully it just keeps on going down. Make my day really easy. I won't have to jump around too much here. I'll just go ahead and wait on that trade there. Okay. Minute and 15 seconds before the open. Beepa. Your Walgreens is called Beepa. Let's see. Let's see if Google can find it. Oh wow, it's all in like oh, German. Okay. How do I accept the cookies? Cookies Ebolnen or cookies Erlaben? Which one is yes? Yeah, yeah. Yep, that's Walgreens, I think. I don't know which button to press though. Erlaben. Okay. Okay, we in there. Oh yeah, it's like oof, oh my goodness. Wow, German is like a way different language. Like some languages I can kind of tell what's going on. In German, I have no idea. Yeah, this seems like a Walgreens type of thing. Yep. That's where I go and get my candy and pick up some beers. I'll pick up some of this, some of that. Okay, here's the open. I was over there looking at the Austrian Walgreens. Who is interested in German? Are some Americans interested in German? Like speaking German? I don't hear too many people trying to learn German. It's kind of it's like it's to me at least it's like really difficult looking. It's like nothing like English from what I can see. Like Spanish is kind of it has like some of the same words and same spelling and stuff. It's much easier for someone who already speaks English. You can learn Spanish pretty easy. But like German and Russian and stuff is so different. Info, you said after doing the live sessions, are you going to carry on doing this with your students? I'm going to continue doing these on here. And I'm going to do actual personalized coaching sessions with people. So probably I'm maxed out until like the second week of April. I can't take on anything new. I can't do anything new until then. I just don't have any time or space to put anything new in there. But after the second week of April, I'll have some time freed up and I'll be able to get the live coaching sessions started. Yeah, I'm fully maxed out right now. I don't think I've ever been so busy in my life. Yep. So, the first trade I took, still looking pretty good. It does have some, it does have a level it has to get through. Yep. Yeah, I got the live coaching coming up. I got the course version 2.5 is coming up. So that's probably about it as far as the currency collective, the website, and all that stuff. That's what's happening. I should have a regular video coming up this weekend. I've been doing a lot of live streams, but I haven't put any normal videos up. So I would like to put one of those up for the weekend. Just giving you guys an update. It's been 3.5 years of trading for me. So give a little update on my thoughts and just the things that are happening. This is probably a good short. Let's see. Yeah, this might be a decent short here too. I'll give it a minute, see what happens. Yeah, I'm at break even so far for the week. I do not want to go down into the negatives. I want a profit for the week. Even if it's only 5 reward, that's fine. Oh, the yens are moving today. Okay. Yeah, only problem with these yen pairs right now is it's in a consolidation on the hourly chart, which is not a good sign. This one seems to be going up. Yeah, I don't see anything too solid. Might take this short here. Yeah, actually I will. Okay. So that's gonna be my second trade. Might be done. So the EGBP, I usually go for 2 reward instead of 3. Even though it has been going 3 lately. Maybe I'll go for 3 today. Yeah, it looks about the same. Okay, so I'll go for 3. This one. It's not being too greedy. All right. Took a trade here too. Eight and 24. Okay. I might move that to 2. We'll see. We'll see how I feel about it. Yeah, that doesn't look like it's too far. 2 would be, let's see. 16. 51. 45. Somewhere in there. Yeah. Yeah, if it's gonna go 2, it'll probably go 3. So I'll let that one just run. Info says, I will be one of your successful, consistent students. Urgent. I need to pass a $100,000 account after your course. Well, easiest way to pass the prop firm challenges is to use a compounding strategy. That way you can just search. You can wait for 3 really good trades. Hell, you can even watch me on here when I say it's a good enough trade to compound. The only trades you should really compound are heavy trends that pull back really far. That's an easy 3 every single time. And they happen very, very often. You'll get at least, I'd say, like 4 per week. So if you want to get the FTMO challenge or any of these other prop firms done quickly and easily, use a compounding strategy with 3 reward. And I've put the formulas up multiple times all over my channel. That's the easy way to do it. You just have to be patient enough to wait for good moves. Crypto money. People are still all into crypto like that. Oh, speaking of, let's look at the Bitcoin. What's going on? What's going on with the Bitcoin? It's still floating around 26K. All right. All right. So examples of good moves to compound with. Here's one right here. Well, here's a couple actually. Big heavy trend up, pulls all the way back to the 21 EMA. Where's that rectangle? There we go. Yeah, this one here, buying on that green bar there. That's a perfect trade to use on a compound. You're just looking for 3 really solid, perfect moves like that. And they happen all the time, so. Yeah. Dollar came crashing down over here because it shouldn't have been up that far in the first place. And it was being artificially propped up. It was overextended, as I like to call it. Okay. Might have been wrong on this one. Ah. Yeah, it looks like I might have been wrong here. Hopefully my UCAD trade goes through. Man. Yeah, it's been super hard to trade these past 2 weeks. You gotta be like extra careful. Okay. So this trade's not looking too great, but my other trade still looking pretty good. Oh, I'm so glad it's Friday. Much as I love trading, I'm usually pretty exhausted by Friday, and that is definitely the case today. You could also go long right here. That would probably work too. Oh yeah. All right, looks like I got this 3 here. I think I'm still in my... Okay. Still in my EGBP trade too. For now, it hasn't failed yet. Yeah, I don't have too much faith in this one anymore. That's fine. As long as I get one of these, I'll be all right. I'll at least be up two. Oh, let's see. Am I still in there? Oh. I'm barely still in my EGBP trade. It's off by like zero point 0.2 pips. So it might actually come down. Barely. But yeah, if it fails, that's okay. Wouldn't be too surprised. I'm not moving the stop on that one. If it fails, it fails. Yep, definitely got to get your rest. You said you can't seem to read or analyze how I trade. Are you sure I will understand after going through your course? Yeah. Yeah, the course is very. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna lose this one. The course is very detailed. And then, like I said, version 2.5 is coming around the corner, which will be even more detailed. But yeah, if you're wondering why I took this short here, it's off the hourly chart. So this is exactly what I was just talking about. A trade you could take a compound trade on, the heavy downtrend, and a big pullback on the hourly chart. It means the trend usually will continue down, probably all the way down, to around here somewhere. That's where it should go down to, if not further. John Doe, good morning. Yeah, I'm at break even for the week. Actually, hold on. Let's see. I lost this one. Nope, sorry, I'm at -1 for the week after losing this one. So, yeah. But have this trade going here, which looks like it's gonna go through. So I'll be up 2 if this one goes through. Yeah. Yeah, you want to go for moves that have a lot of momentum. Especially on the hourly chart. That's the best moves. Heavy momentum on the hourly chart is what you're looking for. Yeah, I think I got this one for sure. And as usual, I'll probably stay on until the second open at 1 a.m. I think we have another week of this double open thing. This thing do? Oh, okay. Yeah, this should come up like this. Down like that. Looks so terrible. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Oh. How'd I get it off of there? Oh. Okay. Oh. I gotta get off this thing. There we go. Okay. You mean the Euro index? It's still looking pretty choppy. You only watch the indexes? I don't think you can trade the indexes. Not to my knowledge. There might be some exchange out there that lets you do that. Yeah, they come in handy, especially the dollar index. That's the best one as of now. Yeah, I'm almost 100% sure that this trade will go through now. So that'll put me at +2 for the week, which is not good enough. We're looking for +5. So I would like to find at least one more. I might even I might take a long here. Actually, yep, I might do that right now. Well, yeah, okay, I'm gonna go for it. Only problem is I'm already in a dollar pair trade. Okay, here we go. I'll go for it. Yeah, the indexes are definitely helpful, but it's better to look at the actual pairs. But yeah, the indexes help too. Yeah, take good trades. We don't want a new yesterday. Yes, we do not want a repeat of yesterday. I 100% agree on that one. I would like to get to at least 5 for the week though. So I did take this here. It's a quick 3 if it goes through. This is another EMA pullback. Yeah, if I win these 2 trades, I'm gonna dip out because that'll be +6 and then minus that 1 from earlier, so +5 for the day. More than good enough. The only issue is they're both on the dollar. They're both dollar pairs, so if either they're both going to go through or they're both going to fail. That's why I tend to not do that too much. In my old stream, or in your old streams, do you teach? So do you recommend for me to watch them, or is it best experience live? Yeah, you can go back and watch. I usually explain what I'm doing. Yeah, if you take multiple trades on the dollar pairs, it's like doubling up on your risk because they're all going in the same direction. GU and EU, AU, and NZDU will all go in the same direction, and then the UCAD will go in the opposite direction. And the U franc kind of does its own thing, so I don't really count that as the majors. U franc is on his own time. Good old Frank. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be able to leave early today. Thank goodness. I've been working excessively these past couple weeks. All right. Got my CBD, got my Benadryl. Yeah, hopefully these 2 go through. And I'll have my 5. Well, I'll have my minimum goal for the week. At least 5. Let me at least get 5. These should be fine. I mean, it could pull back a little more. I think I'm okay here. And it looks like the EGBP finally is coming down, so that'll make this trade stronger. I'm a little mad that I lost the trade earlier, and then it looks like it's gonna come down. Well, it's kind of just in a range, really. No clear direction, but I don't know. Yep. Yeah, like I said, I'm just hoping for these two trades to go through, and I can go ahead and call it a day and sleep a little bit for once. Yeah, I'm tempted to double the stop here. I might. I don't even think I need to. Yeah, I think it should be fine. And I was able to get three reward out of it, potentially. So that's even better. I was only gonna go for 2, but I think I'll just go for the 3. So we got that one there. We got this one here. Both looking pretty good. Hopefully they're not gonna take forever. Come on, let's make this an easy day, please. We've been through enough this week. We need an easy day. Okay. I'm just looking to make sure I don't have to double the stop on that GU. I might. Like I said, I don't think I need to, but if I need to, I will. I don't think it'll drop past that. Okay. All right, I'm gonna double the stop on that GU. Have this in the right place. $46.8. Okay. All right. So I double stop there. I try not to double stops too much, but this is a situation where it makes sense to do that. Got the second open coming up in 20 minutes. Yeah, double the stop on that one. Just because I don't think it'll pull all the way back below here. It should hit the take profit before the stop loss. Yeah. Stop orders are. It's really best to use a stop order all the time. If you traded using only stop orders, you would. Man, your win rate would be super high. You just have to have a lot of patience. I'm not a very patient person, so sometimes I'll just use market orders instead, but always better to use a stop order. Yep. Yeah, stop orders are great. Definitely the way to go. Okay, it'll probably go through here maybe in like the next 10 minutes. I'll probably get both of these. And if that happens, that will be it for today. My maximum is 9 reward, but I'm not going to go for that. Just since the market's been so choppy lately, I'm not going to go for 9. 5 is okay. What's my biggest reward that I've gotten one day? Well, when you get a 3 reward compound cycle, you get 63x. So I guess 63 reward. The most I've gotten in a day. Well, I guess that wasn't one day, but 3 days. I've had some really good days. Made 8 grand on one day. I remember that. That was probably my highest. Yeah, I think that's my biggest profit in one day, 8,000. That was sometime last year. I was pretty happy that day. That day, I believe I took the second and third trade on a 3R compound cycle in one day, so that was why it was so high. Yeah, there's times like January of this year where the market moves really predictably and easily. So you can get a bunch of like really good moves in one day. But like this week in particular, that is not the case at all. It's been super hard to trade this week. Yeah, I think it's all this craziness going on with the banks and the inflation and the interest rates and the this and the that. So much going on. It's not like a steady time in the world. So it's making the trading harder. Just like when there's an election, when the whole C19 thing was going on. When it first started, the market was crazy for a while. Yeah, compounding is pretty easy to make a lot in a really short amount of time. That's the best way to do it. But you got to be super super patient, and you have to be a good trader already to compound. It's definitely not like a beginner tactic. Yeah, let's get this right here. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get this trade and that other one, and I can go to sleep. I'll keep the double stop here just in case anything pops off. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Yeah, I'm okay with 5 reward for the week. It's not bad. Not terrible. Still a pretty decent profit. I was going for 10, but for a choppy week, it's not bad. You say you change the compound strategy. You do the first trade 4 times and then you double the amount. So you do 4 of the same. Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of different ways to do it. The safer way is I think I've put it on one of the videos. There's a safer way. So say you're doing like $100, you're starting with $100 and you get 300. You would just risk that 300 instead of adding the new trade into it. So that's the safer, less stressful way, but you don't get as much. I think you get maybe 45x that way. It's not 63 that way. Okay. Yeah. If you want the high win rate, go for trend continuation moves only and use stop orders. Yeah. Yeah, that's how most people do the compounding. You just add one more trade into each cycle. It's a little bit riskier, but you get way more um, reward for your effort. Oh my goodness. Is this gonna take forever? Alright. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some more water. Uh-oh. Is it gonna reverse on me? Oh. Now what the hell is going on here? I mean, I'd say the chance of this failing is pretty low. Pretty low. Yeah, they could fail though. Yeah, you gotta be careful risking 1% on those prop firm accounts because just remember the max loss is only 10%. You're not gonna lose 10 trades in a row, but you can get pretty low down really quickly. On the FTMO accounts, I recommend risking like 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 at the most, so you don't get too far down. Yeah, the worst thing is losing a funded account, but it happens to people all the time. I think because they just risk too much. I think it's pretty rare that this fails. That'd be pretty. Goodness. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna let these two trades run. I don't think they're both gonna fail. Man, this entire bag of chips was like broken. Hmm. Okay. Okay, here's the second open right here. Hopefully it just goes through now. Yeah. Go, 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 go. And why are these chips so broken? Can you divide 1% risk per day into 6 trades on a challenge? Huh? Info, the easiest way to do it is just use 0.2% and do a 3R compound cycle. That's all you gotta do. So if you're going for the 100K, it's 200 times 63 is 12,000. I don't even think you need to do that much. You can even use less. 100, I think it's 160. Let me see. Yeah, on the 100K challenge, you can use $160 risk and do one 3R compound cycle, and that'll get you to 10,000. So you'll pass the whole thing in 3 trades. Without using that much risk either, which is the best part. So even if you mess up a couple times, you won't go like all the way into the max loss or max daily loss or anything like that. I see what the dollar is doing. Yeah, this should continue down. It's at a level, so it might hesitate a little bit, but it should continue down. I don't think it's going to go up. Yeah, let me see. I'll do the math again really quick. Yeah, $160, and it gives you $10,080 after the third trade. So that'll pass the challenge for you in 3 trades. So it should take you 3 or 4 days to do. Maybe 5 days total. You just have to be extremely patient, especially on a week like this. And just wait for the really good trend continuation moves. And don't move your stop if you're compounding. Unless it's the first trade, you can get away with it. But if it's the second or third trade, you can't move your stop at all. That's one of the bad parts about compounding. Gotta be like very honest. So it's best to use a stop order too. For your second and third compound trades, it's best to use a stop order. Just for like maximum safety. Man, these chips are good, but they're like... You ever buy a bag of chips and they're all like tiny, broken up? I should have got the Doritos instead. Flaming hot limon. Yeah, yo. Yeah, these flaming hot limons, that's where it's at. Smash them and use them as cereal. Some flaming hot cereal. Okay. Let me make sure this camera can't see me. Gotta get these chips in my... Hold on. Hopefully you couldn't see that. I'm pretty hungry. I'm too lazy to make food right now. And I'm about to go to sleep soon, so chips are gonna have to do the trick. Mm. You know when the pieces are so small you can't pick them up, so you just gotta like dip your tongue onto it. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Luckily the camera is not able to see that. Okay. I know. It's so weird being on live stream. Which pair has the highest volatility on the London session between the GU and the gold? I don't really trade gold that much. Yeah, I don't trade gold that much, and the spread is super high on gold. I don't know if gold is the best pair to be compounding on. The spread is really high, and it's kind of like flippy. It seems kind of unreliable to me. I think it's best to compound on like the dollar pairs, occasionally the Euro GBP. Yeah, I really don't think this is gonna fail. I'm pretty sure this is gonna go through. By the way, isn't gold the opposite of the USD index? Usually it is. Usually it is. Not all the time. Gold is affected by other things too. Yeah, I've never been a huge fan of trading gold, but I know some people like swear by it. It's always got a lot of movement, so that's good. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? They really want me to sit here until like 2 o'clock. Oh, is it a good song? I actually can't hear the music, so let me see. I have to play it through here. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's like jazzy. Yeah, dollar pullback. I don't think it's a new trend or anything. Yeah, it's so easy to get copyright strikes on YouTube. So I just try to find like playlists that don't have like mainstream artists in it. Because if you put like a song that's on the radio, you're gonna get a copyright strike. So you gotta use the instrumentals and stuff like that. This better not flip me out of my trade. Come on, I'm so close. And this is a part. This is a point where it could reverse to. Just based off this over here, but it should at least go. It should at least go through to my take profit before that happens. But yeah, it could fail. I'll be pretty mad. Oh man, then I'll be at a loss for the week. So, well, if it happens, it happens. I'm not gonna triple the stop. I'm definitely not gonna do that. Yeah, that's what I was kind of worried about when I got into this trade. It is kind of at that reverse point. Just take profit for now. On my UCAD, let's see. Nah, you don't. Yeah. No, you would just let it run. You wouldn't take profit early here. And if you look at the hourly chart, it shouldn't be reversing yet. Although it might soon, it shouldn't do it right now. Yeah, you gotta let your trades run. It's painful sometimes. It really is, but you gotta let it run. Get your full profits. Yeah, this is gonna keep falling because of this. Got the euro going up pretty heavy, so that's gonna mess my trade up here. So if I get stopped out, it's all good. Shit. I'm still in there barely. Huh. Yeah, I don't want to triple the stop. I think that's a little excessive. So yeah, if I lose 2R, it's fine. It's all good. Yeah, it's mentally draining at first. After like 3 years of trading, this stuff doesn't even phase you anymore. Because you know what's going to happen. Once you've had enough like profitable weeks, profitable months, you know what's going to happen. It's not like a surprise or anything. You know exactly how much you're going to make. You know exactly how much you're going to lose. You'll have losing weeks. You'll have good weeks. It's really predictable after a while. But yeah, traders are definitely drinkers and other stuff. Not saying anyone in particular. Ah, mother. Goodness. Okay. Antonix, the only interference during a trade you did was to widen the stop loss. Why don't you take partial take profit or cut before full stop loss? Well, if you've been watching these live streams, this is what, number 21 now. These types of things happen all the time where The trade will take longer, especially 3 reward. 3 reward trades usually take kind of long. They usually take a while to go through. So you have to be able to wait through the pullbacks sometimes so you can get your full 3 reward. If you're always going for like 1.5 reward, 1 reward, 1.7 reward, your profits are not going to be that high. You have to let the trade run all the way to 3. So occasionally, like today, I'll double the stop. Like I should have tripled it because it's probably gonna go right back up. But I'm probably just gonna leave it alone. Yeah, you want to get your 3 reward out of your 3 reward trades. Otherwise, it's not gonna. Yeah, it's just not gonna work. You can go for 2 instead. I'd recommend going for at least 1 and a third. Yeah, I probably should have tripled the stop. But it's too late now. Yeah, this week and last week were really bad. Yeah, traders make good money, so they can afford. We can afford to buy stuff. But it is slightly stressful. Like I said, you get used to it. It's not stressful after a while. It's kind of like a routine thing. What's going on with my other trade? Well, I'm still in profit on this one. So I'm down 3 for the day and the week. So if this one goes through, that'll put me back at break even. I'm down 3. I lost that EGBP at the beginning of the session, and then I lost my GU here, and that was 2 because I doubled the stop. So I'm at -3. So that's for the day and for the week. -3. And like I said, if this one goes through, it'll just put me back at 0. So I'm okay with a break-even week too. Would have preferred to have a profit, but see this one, bruh. I should have tripled the stop. I'd still be in there, and it'll probably go through too. Oh, yeah. I hate when stuff like that happens. Hits your stop loss and then goes right through after. Man, that is the worst thing ever. Yeah, it was kind of a risky trade though. So, you know, you gotta take the risk every once in a while. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, I think this one will go through still. It's got a little ways to go, but should be fine. So it'll just be a zeroed out week. I did all that work for nothing. Womp womp. What do I think about my psychology? It's much better than last year and the year before. Much more patient now. I'm sticking to my trading plan. I'd say 90-80% of the time. Yeah, I'm pretty good on the psychology. Like I say, when I first started, that was like my worst area. I've always been good at the technical parts. I had to work on my psychology. Like I said, I'm kind of a impatient person, little bit of a temper, I guess. So I had to like calm down a little bit. Yeah, I used to get so pissed off when I like first started. When I would lose a trade, I'd be like hella mad, mad, throw a tantrum and everything. Now it's like, all right, whatever. Yeah, that is the real skill in trading. I think that's what my video is going to be about this week. Is trading psychology and just like keeping a level head and stuff like that, because that's really what separates the winners from the losers, I would say. You have to be able to just remain calm and follow the plan, and you'll always make money if you do that. But if you start like over risking and revenge trading and doing all this stuff, that's how you bust accounts and that's how you lose money. And I think most people fall into that cycle. It's like a vicious cycle of trying to get the money faster. It just makes you end up losing it faster. You know, if you just follow the plan and do it the way you're supposed to, it feels like it's going slow, but you're not losing money. So at worst, you'll break even, like I'll probably do this week. But at least I didn't lose money. And even if I do end up losing, it'll be like -4 or -3. So it's not like a big loss or anything. It'll just take like 1 or 2 trades to get back. I took the hits for you guys. Yeah, that seems to happen a lot with me. Always taking the hit for something. Yeah, you know. Yeah, after you've been trading for a while, it's business as usual. You know what's gonna happen. Come in Monday through Friday. It's a very predictable thing. Bruh. Yeah, I should have tripled. I should have tripled the stop over here, but that's okay. I'd still be in this one. Yeah, it'll probably go back up and hit my take profit from before. I think that's probably the most annoying thing. When it hits your stop loss and then goes through immediately after, that is just, man, happens a lot too. Okay. 1:30. It's Friday. And I believe, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's a possibility I lose this one as well. So, we'll see. Anyways, yeah, it's Friday. I got a big event. I got a big event and a meeting tomorrow. and some other stuff. I got a pack day tomorrow or today, whatever you want to call it. I'll go ahead and cut the stream there. I'm gonna let this trade continue to run. Hopefully it goes through. That'll just put me at 0 for the week and for the day, which, like I said, is not ideal. You don't want to. 0 should never be the goal. You want to go for at least like 5 reward, usually 10. But yeah, break even is not bad either. So I'm not like mad about it, but you know, you want to. I'm trading to get a profit, not to just zero out. So definitely made some mistakes this week, but yeah, you know, try to learn from them, and you guys get to see the mistakes I make, so you don't have to do those types of things. Yesterday was the worst day I've had in a while. It really messed me up. So yeah, I'll cut the stream right there. And I will see you guys on Sunday night, Monday morning. And yep, see you later.